Okay, what's up, you guys? Okay, I came in with a YouTube video. It's Snooki, alright? Okay, so we have actually an extremely small Japanese knife. It's called the Hikaruki Shara. I don't know. I can't pronounce it. But this knife is really cool. I've already opened it and I played around with it a little bit. But, like, I put it back exactly how it came, alright? Okay, there we go. So, that comes in there. You get these instructions, or not, I'm pretty sure they're the instructions there. I don't know what it is, you only try to get them out. Ugh. It's a part of the box. I don't know what that is. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Alright, there it is. No. Be like this, I think, wouldn't it? Okay, but yeah, there it is. If you guys can read that here. My phone will autofocus. Okay, but yeah, there it is. There's that. Okay, I'm gonna get into the actual knife. So, here we are. This knife is tiny, tiny, tiny. See, my hands are huge, so it's not the smallest knife. It is kind of hard to open whenever you first get it. That's just because you gotta break it in, though. This knife is tiny, though. And then it has a... Oh, Lord, I didn't realize that. I don't know if you guys can see that. They actually put the, I forget what that's called. But, like, and then this right here, that's off-centered, but that's how it's supposed to be. It's because it was supposed to look like an old Japanese knife. That is... But yeah, they tried their best to make it look like it was old. Honestly, they did pretty good on it. Like, they shined up this, but, like, there's, like, little, like, spots of the black steel. Or the iron on it. They still got some spots on it. Yeah, that's my review on the knife. So, deuces.